Hey, physics, it's the last week of school. It's been really good to have you guys. I know I have learned a ton this year, and I know you guys have too, because I've seen your test scores and I've seen your assignments, and you've done a really good job. Um, what a year, right? But we made it through together, so good job to you guys. So for Monday and Tuesday, you're just going to review all the stuff you need to review, turn in any missing work that you might still have. Um, you can even still do test corrections on the last test if you'd like to. And then we'll do a group review during class today. So then, if you're in first hour, your final is going to be 11:50 to 1:20 on Wednesday. If you're in fourth hour, it's going to be Thursday, 1:30 to 3. And if you're in sixth hour, it's going to be on Friday from 10:10 to 11:30. Friday finals are in the morning. We'll all get up early that day. Um, and the format of the the final is going to be a Google form. It's going to be 30 questions, 35 points, and you can redo it as many times as you would like to or are able to during the final exam time. Um, and it is worth 10% of your grade, so I think it is worth your while to redo it a few times if you need to. Um, yeah, and then you're done with physics. And you can move on to chemistry for next year. So, yeah, once again, it's been really great having you guys, and I hope you have a great summer, and I hope you get to do some fun stuff and also relax a bunch. Um, I will be seeing you this week. Okay, bye.